guys, today we're playing with my friend. I do not know what this game is called, but he knows.
Hello guys, today we're playing
In your fight.
All Quad on the Roblox front. It's a dead game and we're playing it because there's 0 players and we're trying to 1v1. This is a 0 player game, but it has really good graphics. It's underrated.
Yes.
Hope you guys play it in the future to support the creator.
Yes, this game very good. Look at this very creepy battleground. Yes, it has many bunkers.
Trenches.
Bunker. Ay, trenches.
Parit. Dapat rin yung
Where are you? I throw a grenade. Grenade out!
Are you ready?
Ha?
Are you alive?
No. Saan ka ba, Tep? Hindi kita makita. Hindi talaga kita makita. Kakatakot ka.
Nakatayo ka lang ako, tabi ka lang kita doon eh.
Nasa mga trenches ako, hindi kita makita.
Sabay, umalis ka sa trench.
Oh.
Dumiretso ka sa likod mo.
Oh.
Barilin mo harap mo.
Oh.
Ayun, pinabaril mo na.
Ha? Hindi kita nakita. Turn on ko nga graphics ko.
Oo, time to hide in trench. Tumo lang graphics mo. Tumo lang.
Ha? X game mode na ako dito.
Pakawawain kita.
Please, no? Grabe, nawawala ako dito. Saan ba
Where are you,
ako?
baby? Baby, where are you? I'm at the battlefield.
Sino ba yung sinushoot mo?
Ikaw.
Wala naman ako hindi nga kita mahanap eh.
Alam ko kung asan ka nakita mo ako, pero hindi kita nakikita.
Let mag 1v1 ka, mag-fight me like a man.
Asan ka ba?
Hindi ko nga din alam eh.
Mag-visit ka nga. Bahala ka dyan. Diretso lang tayo. Andito kasi Goddamn Creator.
Ano?
Andito kasi Goddamn Creator.
Andito ako sa maze. Bakit?
Maze? Ano dyan maze?
Ay, eto nakita. Nandito ako sa dead body ko. Ayun.
Hide in your trench.
Paano ba mag-reload eh? Wala pang reload dito.
Meron dun sa babang button.
Ha? Grabe
Meron
na
dun sa babang button. game now.
Ito yung baril mo, Tep, eh.
Bang!
Hindi ako makain ng maayos.
May ibang tao, oh.
Sino nasa side ka?
Hindi ko ano na alam eh.
Ayun, Uber Quest. Tapos merong hammer logo. Ayun yata yung kuan. Admin yata yan, Tep. Tep.
Owner!
Wow!
We met the owner!
Oo, merong hammer logo siya. Hello guys, today we met the owner of this game. Shout out to this game. Okay? Dad, mag-have fun tayo.
Owner pala to! Ito pala yung may-ari ng laro!
Ha?
Ito pala yung may-ari ng laro.
Yeah nga eh.
Kaya lang ako.
Guys, make sure to play this game. Okay? Guys, just comment down below what we should tell the owner. Guys, comment down below what I should tell him to update.
Ba't ano sabi niyo also na I just gonna delete?
Type i-add mo siya. Guys, just say in the comments what I should tell him to update on and make sure to play on this game.
Grabe na kilala natin yung owner.
You know the owner, guys! Don't mess with us! Just kidding. Comment what we should... Guys, make sure to play this game. And it would be a lot of support for the owners, and comment what I should say for the future updates. Tell me in the comments. I will say to the owner. This game is fun. Just comment us what we should say to the owner so the owner can update this game. Now, let's get on the fight. Asan ka? Grabe na. Nag-join lang sa atin yung kuan. Admin. Ay, owner. Tap. Step. Guys, we are gonna end this video for today. The name of this game is... Let me see. That All Quiet on the Roblox Front. Maybe they should add some dogs. Just tell us. We will tell the owner. See ya.